I'm about to show you how I'm creating an unlimited stream of viral AI carousel images with the new ChatGPT work mode, and how I turned one batch of 50 images into a complete social media selling system. If you're new here, I'm Sean's AI clone. Over the last 12 months, Sean's agency generated more than $5 million in revenue while providing social media management and advertising services for over 350 active clients. And today, we're demonstrating how any agency can use AI to generate amazing results for their clients. To make this easy to follow, I'm going to show you the process in the same order I built it. I started with one detailed prompt. That prompt created the research, brand direction, carousel strategy, and a 5x5 approval board. Only after I approved that direction did I ask work mode to produce all 50 images, organize the drive folders, and complete a CSV file. Then I brought that CSV into my favorite social media planner, connected the post to a comment to direct message workflow, added lead tracking and conversation AI, and turned the content into a system a client could actually pay for every month. Now let's move to chapter number 1, build the initial prompt and approval board. My initial prompt didn't begin with, make me 50 images. I asked work mode to study the business website and Instagram, understand the offer and audience, identify the differentiators, define the brand rules, and propose a mix of educational, trust building, and conversion focused carousels. It also defined a repeatable 5-slide structure. Slide 1 earns the swipe with a specific hook. Slide 2 names the problem or decision. Slides 3 and 4 deliver value, proof, or a visual transformation. Slide 5 gives the viewer one simple next action. That structure is worth testing because carousels are already one of the strongest organic formats on Instagram. In Social Insider's 2026 analysis of 35 million posts, carousels led engagement at 0.55% compared with 0.52% for Reels and 0.37% for static images. The same benchmark found that carousels generated the most saves and views. Then came the most important instruction in the prompt. Don't generate all 25 images yet. First, create one 5x5 approval board. That board let me inspect the entire visual system at once. The cover rhythm, typography, image treatment, light and dark slides, accent colors, educational slides, and calls to action. If the direction had been wrong, I could have corrected one preview instead of waiting for 25 separate images I didn't want. Once the first 5 carousel concepts were approved, I asked for 5 more. Work mode already understood the research and brand rules, so it expanded the campaign to 10 carousels without making me restate the project. This is the operating principle. Separate creative approval from production. Approve the strategy, the visual language, and the conversion pattern first. Then spend the time in image generation scaling a direction you already like. Now let's move on to chapter number 2. Turn the approved direction into 50 images. Once all 10 carousel concepts were approved, I gave work mode one production assignment. Create all 50 images, separate them into 10 5-slide carousel folders in Google Drive, complete the HighLevel social planner CSV, and change the call to action keyword from tour to grand. Then work mode noticed a problem. I had referenced a CSV but hadn't attached it. It searched the connected Google Drive, found a similar file, and asked for what it still needed. I attached the correct CSV while the task was already running, and the work continued. That interaction matters. I didn't have to cancel the job, rewrite the entire prompt, or start over. I could give the AI missing information in the middle of the assignment, the same way I would answer a question from a team member who was actively working. Then I closed my computer and went to lunch. About an hour later, I came back to 50 completed images, 10 organized folders, 2 visual overview boards, and all 50 slides preview, and a CSV with 10 scheduled carousel posts. The images were 1080 by 1350 and looked amazing. Every post used the grand keyword, and the calendar followed an organized Monday, Wednesday, Friday publishing rhythm. This is what I mean by unlimited. It doesn't mean one prompt creates infinite images with no supervision. It means I now have a reusable production loop. I can change the business, offer, campaign, or month, run the same approval process again, and create another organized batch without rebuilding the workflow from zero. Because the direction was approved before production, the 50 image run scaled a system I already liked instead of scaling a visual mistake. If you want the prompts I use for this project and my full social media selling system, then click the first link in the description to start a 30-day free trial of the software my agency uses and join my community. Inside, I have a prompt library for various prompts we've been using, with more to come, plus more bonuses, but I'll share more on that later. For now, let's move on to chapter number 3, the 2 carousels doing the most important jobs. Out of the 10 carousels, 2 show why a good campaign needs more than attractive graphics. The first is called Before You Book. It opens with a direct planning hook, then walks a potential customer through guest count, food, and whether they need only the venue or the venue plus decor. The last slide tells the viewer to comment grand. This carousel creates clarity. It answers buying questions while the prospect is still swiping, helps the viewer self-qualify, and ends with a conversion action that HighLevel can identify and track. The second is blank space to big moment. It transforms one room into several different event moods, including Pretty in Pink, Midnight Elegance, and After Dark Drama. This carousel creates desire. Instead of asking a prospect to imagine what an empty venue might become, it shows several possible futures in seconds. One carousel reduces uncertainty, the other increases aspiration. That combination is the winning content mix I would copy. Use some posts to teach or qualify, use others to provide proof or visualization, and connect both types to a simple next step. The important part is that the call to action isn't an afterthought pasted onto the final slide. The grand keyword was planned before production, carried into the finished images, added to the CSV captions, and connected to the automation we will build later. At this point, however, I still had 50 files in Google Drive. That is impressive output, but it isn't yet a managed service. Now let me show you chapter number 4. Turn 50 files into one managed HighLevel system. Inside HighLevel, I open marketing, go to social planner, and select the bulk upload option. HighLevel provides a CSV structure for importing multiple posts. In my completed file, each row represents one carousel and contains the caption, scheduled date, scheduled time, and 5 image links in the correct order. Because HighLevel needs to retrieve the media, the Google Drive image links must be publicly accessible before the import. I upload the CSV, choose the connected social account, and review all 10 rows before completing the import. That review screen is one of the most valuable parts of the workflow because it turns a large batch into something you can quality control quickly. You can confirm the account, caption, media order, date, and time for every post before anything publishes. After the import, the 10 carousels appear inside Social Planner as scheduled posts. Now, the content isn't scattered across folders, downloads, and browser tabs. It is organized in a calendar where the team can see what is publishing, where it is publishing, and when it is going live. For client work, I add an approver during the import. The client or account manager can open a clean approval page, approve a post, reject it, or provide a reason for a requested change. If something is rejected, the team corrects the content and returns to the social planner workflow. This is the difference between AI output and an agency deliverable. AI can accelerate production. HighLevel gives you the operational layer, account connections, scheduling, approvals, revisions, and visibility for the people responsible for the result. Think about the economics. Without Social Planner, 50 images are still 50 files someone has to download, rename, sort, caption, upload, schedule, check, and send to the client. With this system, work mode creates the production package and HighLevel turns that package into a repeatable service. That is why I wouldn't pitch this as, I make AI images. I would pitch it as, we plan, produce, approve, schedule, and track your monthly social content from one system. The client isn't buying a folder. The client is buying consistency and fewer things to manage. If you want to reproduce this, use the first link below or the pinned comment to start my 30-day HighLevel trial. You will also receive my implementation bonuses, including the AI Business Blueprint, prompt library, community question and answer sessions, and call recordings. And here's the fastest way to make the trial useful. Don't begin by trying to build everything for 5 clients. Connect one account, import one approved batch, and create one conversion path. Once that works, duplicate the process. Scheduling earns attention, but the next layer turns that attention into a contact you can actually follow up with. Now let's move to chapter number 5. Connect the carousel to the sale. The final slide promises a venue guide when someone comments, grand. The landing page, direct message, and follow-up need to fulfill that exact promise. I use work mode as a meta prompting partner. It took the business research and conversion goal from the Carousel project and turned them into a cleaner build prompt for HighLevel AI Studio. The prompt told AI Studio to verify the website and Instagram, resolve conflicting details, avoid inventing unsupported offers, follow the brand direction, and create a mobile-friendly 2-step funnel with forms, tracking, and clear conversion events. Step 1 is a focused opt-in page called Plan Your Grand Experience. Step 2 delivers the guide, explains the venue and packages, answers key questions, and gives the lead a path to check availability or book a tour. That creates message continuity. See the carousel, comment grand, receive the guide, and move toward the next sales action. Next, I built the Instagram comment to direct message workflow in HighLevel. The trigger listens for grand. HighLevel can publish the public reply, send the guide privately, and add a tag called social media lead. That tag is more important than it looks. It preserves the source of the contact. I can segment social leads, measure how many people entered through the campaign, follow them separately, and later compare appointments or sales back to the content. We also have proof of this mechanism running in an earlier campaign. The keyword was glow instead of grand, but the sequence was the same. The viewer commented, HighLevel posted the public reply, the direct message arrived, and the execution log confirmed the workflow completed. After the first response, I configured an Instagram social lead assistant with HighLevel conversation AI. The assistant works with contacts who have the social media lead tag and don't have the book tag. It answers common questions in a conversational voice and guides qualified prospects toward the appointment calendar. There is an important distinction here. Sending a calendar link isn't the same as completing a booking. So the safer logic is social media lead plus not booked means the AI can continue following up. When the appointment is actually booked, HighLevel adds the book tag, stops the agent, or moves the contact to the next pipeline stage. Now the system is connected from front to back. Work mode researches and produces the carousel campaign. HighLevel publishes it. The comment automation captures intent. The tag preserves attribution. The landing pages deliver the promised value. Conversation AI handles questions. The calendar creates the sales opportunity, and the contact history remains in one place. The images are the front end. This connected journey is the product. Now let's move on to chapter number 6. Package it, duplicate it, and get paid monthly. If I were packaging this for a local business, I would sell it in 3 layers. Layer 1 is the content engine: research, concepts, grid approval, finished carousels, captions, and social planner scheduling. Layer 2 is the conversion engine: the comment keyword, direct message delivery, social media lead tag, landing pages, and calendar. Layer 3 is the follow-up engine: conversation AI, booked contact logic, pipeline movement, and reporting. Depending on the niche and scope, that could be a $500 monthly content offer, a $1,000 premium system, or part of a larger agency retainer. Those are examples, not universal prices. The strategic shift is to stop charging for individual graphics and start charging for the system that creates and converts demand. HighLevel makes the model easier to manage across clients because each business can have its own account, connected channels, calendar, workflows, tags, conversations, and reporting. The operating process remains consistent while the brand, offer, keyword, and follow-up logic change for each client. Once the first account is proven, I can save it as a reusable HighLevel snapshot and create a recurring monthly invoice. In an earlier demonstration, I saved the completed client system as a snapshot and set up a $500 monthly invoice inside HighLevel. That is the agency model in one sentence: build the system once, prove it, save the structure, adapt it for the next client, and collect recurring revenue for managing the result. If you are building this for your own company, use the same sequence. Pick one offer and one keyword. Approve one carousel system. Connect one useful lead magnet. Create one clear appointment action. Test the full journey before adding more complexity. The biggest opportunity here isn't that ChatGPT can make 50 images while I eat lunch. It is that ChatGPT work mode and HighLevel can divide the work intelligently. Work mode handles research, creative planning, production, organization, and the handoff package. HighLevel handles publishing, approvals, lead capture, attribution, follow-up, calendars, and client operations. That is how a folder of AI images becomes a social media selling system, and how a one-time creative task becomes a service you can manage every month. If you want to build it, use the first link below or the pinned comment to start my 30-day HighLevel trial and get my implementation bonuses. And if you want the client acquisition side of the model, watch my Easy Yes offer video next. It shows you how to use a free AI clone sample and one permission first message to start the conversation that can lead to your first monthly agency client. Check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.